How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Now, if you want to sell products on Facebook Marketplace, you just simply need to open your Facebook app, and after you opening the Facebook app, you will see this homepage. From here, you just simply need to select this icon of Facebook Marketplace, and after going in there, you are gonna see the option of sell directly. Tap to the sell option from here, and once you tap to the sell button, you are gonna see this page where you have a lot of options. You just simply need to tap into this button of create listing in order to create a list to sell. Just simply tap in there and select the item or the type of the product that you have, either one item, vehicle, or you can also sell or rent property from here. Just simply tap to your item. I'm selecting one item right here, and after that you need to fill the information about your product. Firstly, add photos. You can add up to 10 photos of your product, and then title where you can name the product, and then price of the product. Then select the category and condition for that product, and after you fill out all of these, enter a description to describe the product that you want to sell. And after that, you can also change the optional settings from here, such as location, listing options, and as such. And after filling out all of these details, tap to this publish button from the top right corner. And like this, the list will be posted after the Facebook Marketplace will approve your post, and you can sell your item like this. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.